Hi third graders, this is just a quick video to show you how to access your assignments in Freckle. So once you get to Freckle and they ask you to enter your code, depending on whose class you're in, you're going to enter the class code. My class, it's this code down here, ALTSHU. Then you enter your first and last name. I'm going to use Peyton again as just an example of how to get in here. Okay, so once you're on this screen, it's your home page. Something might have popped up that said, collect your coins or set your daily goal. So you can get through all of that. Then here down at the bottom, we have our home page, the math, the ELA, and assignments. So these two are how you access math and ELA lessons. This is how you're going to access what Mrs. Petersdorf and I assigned to you. So you simply click on assignments where it says to. You can see math, we haven't assigned you anything. Science, we haven't assigned you. And social studies, we haven't assigned you anything. But for today's lesson for school, you have two assignments for ELA. This first one up here is the reading, and the second one is the writing. So it's the same story both times, just this one, when you click on it and access it, it'll ask you to read what is here, and then answer these questions off to the side here. So as simple as that. Once you've done the reading part of it, then you can go into the writing part of it. And so again, it's the same exact story that you've already seen. And then over here, it tells you your prompt. So pick an animal and write as if you are that animal. Describe the behavioral adaptations you use to survive. And you type your answer in here and submit it when you're done. Now remember, when you are typing in your answer here, you should start with a topic sentence, you should have some details, and then you should end with a closing sentence. We expect capitalization and punctuation, so take your time on this part of it and make sure that your writing is clear and you're following all of the grammar guidelines. So when you are done doing both of those assignments, when you go back to the home screen, this assignments should no longer have the 2 there because it means that you've completed both of those. We are going to be doing assignments on Freckle for the next couple of weeks, and we'll let you know that in the lesson plans. So if you ever need to refer back to this video to help you, you can. If you have any questions, as always, please ask your teacher and we are happy to help you.